Welcome to our video on How to Date Ancient Civilizations, the Science Guide. Ancient civilizations have left behind a wealth of artifacts, structures, and records that give us glimpses into their lives and culture. But how do we know when these objects were created, used, or abandoned? In this video, we'll explore the science behind dating ancient civilizations, and how it helps us unravel the mysteries of the past. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see our latest videos. Dating ancient civilizations is a complex and fascinating process, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of written records or documentation from some civilizations, which makes it difficult to determine when they existed. For example, the Indus Valley civilization, which flourished in the Indian subcontinent around 2500–1900 BCE, has left behind thousands of artifacts, but we have little idea of their chronology or cultural significance. Similarly, the Minoan civilization, which thrived on the island of Crete around 2700–1450 BCE, has few written records and no known successors, making it hard to piece together its history. Another challenge of dating ancient civilizations is the natural degradation of materials over time. Organic materials, such as wood, bone, or cloth, are particularly vulnerable to decay, which can affect their radiocarbon content and make it hard to estimate their age. In addition, some artifacts or structures may have been damaged or destroyed by natural disasters, such as floods, earthquakes, or volcanic eruptions, which can affect their context and make it hard to establish their chronology. Despite these challenges, scientists have developed various dating techniques to determine the age of ancient civilizations and artifacts. Some of the most common techniques include radiocarbon dating. This method measures the amount of carbon-14 in an organic sample, such as a piece of wood or bone, and compares it to the amount of carbon-14 in the atmosphere at the time the sample was alive. Since carbon-14 has a half-life of about 5,700 years, scientists can estimate the age of the sample by calculating how long it has been decaying. Dendrochronology. This method uses the patterns of tree rings in wooden objects to determine their age. Since each ring represents a year of growth, scientists can match the patterns of rings from different trees or objects to create a chronological sequence. Dendrochronology can also reveal information about climate, ecology, and forest history. Thermoluminescence dating. This method measures the amount of trapped electrons in an object, such as pottery or stone, that has been exposed to heat or radiation. The longer the object has been exposed, the more electrons have been trapped, and the older the object is. Optically stimulated luminescence dating. This method measures the amount of light that is emitted when minerals, such as quartz or feldspar, are exposed to light or heat. The amount of light emitted is proportional to the time that has elapsed since the minerals were last exposed to sunlight or heat, allowing scientists to estimate the age of the sample. Uranium series dating. This method measures the decay of uranium isotopes in minerals, such as stalagmites or corals, that have formed in caves or underwater. Since the rate of decay is known, scientists can calculate the age of the sample by measuring the ratio of uranium isotopes. There are many other dating techniques that scientists use, depending on the type of sample and the age range they are interested in. Obsidian hydration dating. This method measures the rate of water absorption by volcanic glass, such as obsidian, which can be used to estimate the age of artifacts made from that material. Electron spin resonance dating. This method measures the amount of radiation damage in tooth enamel or quartz grains, which can be used to estimate the age of the sample. Amino acid racemization dating. This method measures the rate of decay of amino acids in organic materials, such as shells or bones, which can be used to estimate their age. Each dating technique has its own strengths and limitations, and scientists often use multiple methods to cross-check and verify their results. By combining different dating techniques, scientists can create a more accurate and detailed picture of ancient civilizations and events. Let's look at some examples of how dating techniques have been used to uncover the secrets of ancient civilizations. Egypt. One of the most famous ancient civilizations, Egypt, has left behind a wealth of monuments, tombs, and artifacts that span thousands of years. Radiocarbon dating has been used to estimate the age of pharaonic tombs, such as the tomb of Tutankhamun, which was discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter. Dendrochronology has been used to date the wooden beams of temples and other structures, revealing information about the construction techniques, and the availability of timber. Uranium series dating has been used to estimate the age of fossils, and rock formations in the Nile Valley, shedding light on the evolution of ancient environments and the emergence of early human settlements. Maya. The Maya civilization, which flourished in Central America from 2000 BCE to 1500 CE, is known for its impressive architecture, art, and astronomy. Dendrochronology has been used to date the wooden lintels and beams of Maya temples and palaces, revealing the sequence of construction and the role of timber in Maya society. Radiocarbon dating has been used to estimate the age of Maya ceramics, textiles, and human remains, providing insights into their diet, health, and social organization. Obsidian hydration dating has been used to estimate the age of Maya tools and weapons, revealing the patterns of trade and exchange among different regions. Indus Valley. The Indus Valley civilization, which existed from 2500–1900 BCE in the Indian subcontinent, is one of the most mysterious and enigmatic ancient civilizations. While we have little written records or direct evidence of their language or culture, archaeologists have used a combination of radiocarbon dating, thermoluminescence dating, and satellite imagery to map and date their settlements, pottery, and seals. This has led to new hypotheses about their urban planning, trade networks, and social organization. In conclusion, dating ancient civilizations is a challenging but rewarding field that combines various scientific techniques and interdisciplinary approaches. By dating ancient artifacts and structures, we can learn about the past societies and cultures, the evolution of technology and art, and the dynamics of environmental change and human adaptation. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the fascinating world of dating ancient civilizations and inspired you to explore more about the past. That's it, we've reached the end of the video. If you made it this far, you're one of the best people out there. Before you go, make sure to give us a like to let us know you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions that pop into your head in the middle of the night, feel free to leave them in the comments below so we can answer them for you.